So if you guys didn't notice, I'm at Gemini Springs Park, and you could smell the sulfur. It smells like somebody crop dusted and walked off, but water's really green. There's a baby alligator under the tree, which is pretty cool because usually it just doesn't. You usually don't just see that like anytime you go to these springs, but this one, there's one just chilling there watching me. So it's pretty cool so far. So it looks like this morning I am the mosquito's golden corral because I'm getting ate up with skeeters. They like my forehead and my hands. This is a nice little area. It's not really full of a lot of people, not yet anyway. It's a little toasty for December, but it's Florida. It's not too bad. If you're watching, this is a new phone, upgraded to the 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro, which is amazing with the footage, and hopefully it'll be a lot better with the sound and everything else. It also has the cinematic section for the videos, which I won't use for these videos because that's better for my short films that I do. But this is nice. I gotta go to a barbecue here in a couple of hours, go hang out with some friends at Gemini Springs Park. I might get some footage for that for this video of that area again, because that was the one that I was at that wasn't too bad. I did that recently. It was like I think it was a couple of weeks ago. What I've learned so far about this place, there's a lot of areas for tranquility, just reflection, those kind of things. If you like to meditate, just really peaceful, really nice setups, little parts, the little waterfalls, the little this and that. It's really nice. Last time I was here, I didn't see that sinkhole, so I got it this time. Can't really get to it because the ground might give way. There's a lot of parts in Florida that has a lot of underground this and that with water flowing. So that's not surprising at all. You hear about all these people's houses dealing with sinkholes and sinkholes this, sinkholes that. It's not surprising at all. The weather's a lot better than it was last time I was here. A lot nicer. Water's extremely clear. There's a lot of people here having birthday parties and stuff. It's a nice little park. The boardwalk thing again. It's really nice. Water's clear-ish with a little bit of green stuff. A lot of fish. Sneak it up on y'all. What's up? Hey. I had a good time playing some sports. This is the only time you're gonna get some cardio out of me here lately, but y'all missed it. I busted my ass playing kickball. Did good though. Had a really good time playing with the kids, playing sports. We played football, and frisbee, and whatever. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, smash the like button, share with your friends and family. Love y'all. Peace.